Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up audio without changing the pitch in CapCut application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and here I have added my audio to this CapCut project. And first of all, we can click on the audio and click on the audio again until we find the speed option right here. Click on the speed option to speed up your audio. And for instance, I'm going to make my audio 2 times faster. So I'm just going to drag it right here. Sorry. Okay. Okay, and as you can hear guys, that the pitch doesn't change. If you don't want to change the pitch, don't click on this keep pitch option. If you want to change the pitch, then you can click on this option, and I'm going to show you the difference. I'm going to click on keep pitch. Okay, this is how it sounds if I click on keep pitch. If you don't want to change your pitch, make sure that you don't click on this keep pitch option. And after you're done, you can click on the check mark, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can speed up audio without changing the pitch in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.